Assalamu alaikum, sir. My name is Muhammad Samil Islam Tamim. My ID is 194079982 and I am from Group 2. Our project is Smart Fish Farming System using Arduino technology. So I'd like to thank my other group members for giving me a chance to talk about my contribution to this project. I'm currently working on the temperature control and the Arduino board we're going to use in this project. So tell why temperature control is important for our smart fish farming system is that every living creature, every living being needs a specific temperature range to actually survive and live properly. So suppose for humans, if the temperature is like too high, like 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, we may not survive even 2 days. We'll get heat stroke and will die from dehydration. And it is true if the temperature is too low. So here in this slide we have some information about how temperature is very important variable for many seawater creatures and seawater creatures how they may not survive, they may not tolerate a specific if the range of temperature exceeds from a specific temperature. On the next page, we have the temperature effect on the most common locally farmed fish, tilapia. Tilapia is massively farmed in our country, but most of them are being farmed still in analog ways, where there is no like temperature monitoring system. So what we have here is that the different types of tilapia, like the normal tilapia, Nile tilapia, the Egyptian tilapias, and their different stages and their requirements on for different specific different ranges of temperatures. So what we can here see that if the tilapia normal tilapia is larva stage from 0 to 10 days, it needs 20 to 32 degrees Celsius temperature to actually survive. If the ranges are like too high and too low, they will see like deformity and they may not even survive. So temperature is very important from larva to actually be actually like a fish that is like ready to be sold. So every stages of its life the temperature control is very important, and if we cannot like control it, if we cannot like monitor it, then the farmers will not actually be able to gain any profit from it. So in here we have a table that actually says the temperature, the average water temperature in Bangladesh throughout the different months of our country, and for like 5 years here we have a data table. So we can see that the normal temperature is this, but we have to gain if we like to like farm tilapia from normal to this. So what we can do here is that after uh, installing after using our technology, we can easily monitor the current temperature and the temperature is required, so we can like increase the temperature manually or like and decrease the temperature as we need it. So in here we have used many components. We have used the Arduino Nano board specifically. We'll be needing that for our project because we are using a component that is called DHT11. So what is DHT11? DHT11 is a low-cost digital temperature and humidity sensor. It uses a capacitive sensor and thermistor to measure the ambient temperature and the humidity. So it not only just measures the temperature but also the humidity, which is very important for a smart fish farming system. So what we can do here is that using these components we can build a very sophisticated and very low cost and cost and user friendly system that can operate and manage the temperature the of our fish farm. So Arduino Nano is a microcontroller board developed by Arduino CC based on 80 mega 3228P or 80 mega 168. The pins of Arduino Nanos are digital pin. One is digital pin 2 to 12, and one is analog pin 0 to 7, and there is a ground pin. uh, the ground pin and the reset pins and serial common pins, and yeah, so on. So working procedure is simple for like measuring the temperature using this board is that connect the ground pin of Arduino Nano to the ground pin of the DST11, then connect the 5-volt pin to the Arduino Nano to VCC pin to DST11, and connect the digital pin 2 or 7 to the Arduino Nano to the data pin of DST11 using jumper wires. So we are also using jumper wires and a breadboard. So the DST11 sensor senses the humidity and the temperature and sends the information to digital pin 2 or 7 or Arduino from the data pin to DST11. So 5-volt pins of Arduino Nano, and then senses the humidity and the temperature and sends the information to the digital pin 2 or 7 of Arduino Nano. Then we need to download the Arduino IDE, which is a Arduino IDE from the website, which is a cross platform IDE and can be used on like Windows, Linux, and many other OSs. So, and then include the DST11 library, which will be given below, and then we have to write the code and upload it. After uploading it, we can our easily monitor the temperature of our fish farm. Thank you so much.